Fun, brother. Right there, where the 30-06 shows. Once in a while, you'll get one like that. Yeah.
It's bona fide.
That's fucking sick, brother. That's fucking sick.
Where are the 30-06 shells, Dad?
They're in there somewhere.
This one's empty.
In the box that's 30-06.
No, it's in the box that says 9mm.
Feel the weight of that motherfucker, brother.